Today is a day that will live in infamy. Today is the day where the little guy gets his back. Today is the day where I look James Jebbia right in his eyes and I say, not today, not this week. This week, I'm gonna win.
I feel like I'm chosen, I'm covered in gold.
Welcome back, friends, to Fauntleroy's Finest. Today is a serious day. We are going to live cop the heck out of that site today. After I found out what the price of the jacket was, it is a must cop. That's going to be the one item that I'm going to be trying for the most. I'm going to run 4 slots on Toro today. 2 are going to be for the puffer jacket, 2 for the skate decks. I wanted to try to get a red and a green skate deck if I can. Basically, though, that is my plan. I'm not really going to go after anything else. I will have a cart running on Swift Soul that will be like a multi-cart with the tracksuit and some of the beanies. I don't really expect that one to go through, so we'll see. If it does, great. If it doesn't, I'm not that worried. This isn't like the most amazing week in the world, but I do feel very confident. I think this is going to be it. We had a horrible week last week. This isn't the same week, but this isn't what happened before. We're not gonna take that L like we did with the dunks today. Today we are going to do so much better than last week. I didn't actually get anything at all last week, so it really won't be that hard to do better than last week, but I expect greatness. Okay, I'm about out of time for this, but I do want to say, please go ahead and join my free Discord. Fauntleroy's Finest, completely free. There's a bunch of really smart guys in there that can give you great advice on reselling and buying things. Also, I have to shout out the +1 Discord, Jacob Star's Discord. It's $9.99. It's 75% of the way full, so if you have any inkling that you're going to want to get into that Discord, I would recommend you do it now. It's going to be filled up, and he's going to close it off. You get Cardinal autofill for free. That on its own is normally $40. Go watch Jacob's video. He plugs it. I don't get any money for this plug or anything like that. I actually use it. I think it's a good tool. It's a Discord group made by people that have been part of Discord groups for a long time. Alright, enough of this nonsense. I know nobody cares about that. Alright, I'm gonna head over to the computer and you're about to watch a master at work here. This is gonna be the cook of a lifetime, so hold on to something because it's gonna get crazy. Alright, I'm here at the computer. I'm ready to go. We have about 2 minutes left. 2 minutes until the Nike Supreme collab will drop. I will be going for a couple of items. Nothing crazy. If I hit, great. If I don't, not as upsetting as last week because that was a sad, sad day. I am going to be running Turo, and I also have Swift Soul. I should try to record Swift Soul if I can. I think that the puffer jacket is set at a great price, so I am definitely interested in that. And I also kind of want to pick up one of the tracksuits. I have one cart that has a bunch of things in it on Swift for one of the brown tracksuits. If that hits, great. If it doesn't, again, not that worried about it. I'm about to start these tasks in a second here. Start these tasks. Start these tasks. Alright, we're going. We've got some awaiting captcha. Awaiting captcha. Why is AYCD failing me? AYCD seems to have failed me 100%. I really have no idea what the F is going on, to be honest with you. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. This is a cart. If I can get this cart, I'll walk away a happy man. Please, come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. What the... What? There's no way that this cart's still available. There's no way that I'm going to be able to get this crap. I just don't see, like... It seems like the whole site is busted, man. And that's just for me. I don't know, like... Processing in queue. Like, I'm getting stuff in my queue and it's kicking me out, I think. Come on, MFer. I don't know if I have, maybe my stuff's dead. Maybe I killed my IP. It's possible. It's possible. You have not been charged by Supreme. High traffic. Oh, maybe this stuff is working now. Yeah, everything's sold out already. Alright, well, I ended up with 1 deck. So we got a red deck. Whatever. That's not a bad week. At least it's better than absolutely nothing. Okay, well, not as sad as last week, but it is what it is. Swift Soul, I guess, is the only thing that actually worked for me today. I couldn't get Cardinal to go through. I think there was some problems early on with the site. I'm not going to assume that those other things were sitting in stock that long. I think my AYCD actually failed me 100% because I had everything here and it was all waiting for solver. Next time I'm gonna have to turn that shit off, I guess. I'm gonna run some restocks on the black puffer jackets, and I will also be running restocks on the green deck because I just wanted to get the green and the red. I mean, that was about it. Nothing crazy today. Obviously I did something wrong here, so yeah, no good. I didn't think it was gonna go that bad, and then oh man, it was all my fault. I screwed it all up. I put in the wrong information. I used AYCD auto solve. Apparently that's a terrible move. So at first I was getting a bunch of it looked like I was getting a failed credit card transaction, but I was carding like the most amazing items. There just was something wrong with the website. So then they turned it on, and you know, it is what it is. I ended up getting a deck. And then I was talking to Lewis, who is the one who lets me use Turo, and he told me that I was an idiot and I'm a moron, which I agree. I'm not gonna fight you on that one. And he told me not to use auto solve. That was stupid. And so I turned off auto solve, and then this happened. Okay guys, I'm bringing this back right now. I just turned it off. I was running restocks. My friend Lewis, who's this is his Turo, he told me what an idiot I am for using AYCD and told me to turn it off, and then I turned it off and restocks came and I hit a puffer. I got the XO puffer and I got it bored. That's really all I wanted to do. This is a good one. I mean, hey, I hit something. This is what I wanted. We did it. We're gonna have this to show you guys eventually too. So hey, nice. Perfect. If I would have listened to him originally, I would have had all 4 of the items that I was going for, but man, I'll take it. I will take it. I will take it.
I know when that line blink,
dance,
that can only mean one thing.
Oh my god, it feels good to finally grab something that you were trying to get. Like, this was the good item to get. I don't think anybody's going to debate that. Extra large or small in this black puffer is the one to go for. Turo came through for me big time there, and it just popped it off. I was just in that mode like, oh well, running restocks on stuff that'll never hit, and just like that, it hit. Thank you so much to Lewis for letting me use his amazing bot that actually cooks. You guys follow Lewis on Instagram, please. Don't be jackholes. You know, he's a good kid. Like his stuff, you know? Give him a little like here and there. That's what people like nowadays. They like to be liked. This day is the antithesis of last week. It couldn't have gone much worse last week. It couldn't have gone much better this week. So obviously I've got the formula figured out on how to beat Supreme. Next week is going to be a cakewalk. Oh, you stupid, dumb bastard. Thank you guys so much again for watching and supporting the channel. I appreciate every minute that you spend here. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below on what you comped or what you didn't comp. Anything like that helps out the channel. It helps get these out to more viewers, and you know, I'm trying to grow this. Sky's the limit. You can say that you were here when there was only 100. And eventually we'll have like, what do we get, like 1 billion subscribers? Is that what we're gonna end up with?
Stop it. Get some help.
Either way, whatever it ends up, if it's 1 billion, that's fine. I can live with that. I'm obviously all doped up on Nike puffer jacket fumes, so I'm just gonna have to end it right here. Thank you guys again. Have a great day. See you later. Bye-bye.
I feel like I'm chosen. I'm covered in gold.